Good morning, children. Today we can study the continuation of Chapter 3 Excel 2010 Working with Charts. In this section, you will learn how to insert charts and parts of a chart. Okay, in this section, we will learn how to insert charts in a worksheet and parts of a chart. First one, creating chart. Okay, first one is what? Creating chart. What is chart? A chart is a tool you can use in Excel to communicate your data graphically. Here, how to insert chart in a worksheet? First step is what? First you select the data for which you want to create the chart. Okay, first thing is what? First you select the data. Okay, first you select the data for which you want to create the chart. Second step is what? Choose the insert tab. Okay, choose the insert tab. Here is the insert tab. Click the insert tab. From that you have different groups. Okay, from that you click on chart group. Okay, you select on which group? Chart group, to see various chart type. Okay, this is your chart group. Here you see the different types of charts. Okay, different types of charts like column chart, line chart, pie chart, etc. From that you select the chart of your choice. Okay, you select the chart of your choice. First step is what? Select the data for which you want to create the chart. Next thing is what? Click the insert tab. From that you choose, click on where? Chart group, to see various chart types. Then select the chart of your choice. That time the chart will appear in the worksheet. Okay, the chart will appear in the worksheet. How to insert a chart in a worksheet? First step is select the data, then click the insert tab. From that you select what? From the chart group you select charts, different types of chart. The chart will appear in the worksheet. Next, parts of a chart. A chart has many elements. Okay, a chart has many elements, but some of these elements are displayed by default, other can add it as needed. You can also remove the chart elements that you do not want to display. Here some of the chart elements are: first one, chart area, then plot area, data points, axis, what are they? Horizontal and vertical axis, legend, chart title, data, label. These are the elements of what? Chart. Here is the example. What is the use of chart area? Chart area is the entire chart. Okay, chart area is the entire chart and all its elements, like including title and legend. Okay, the chart area is the entire chart and all its elements. Next one is what? Plot area. Here, plot area is the chart plus its data and axis labels. Okay, that means the plot area is the area of the chart bounded by the axis. Next one is what? Data points. Next one is data points. Data points are individual values plotted in a chart, represented by bars, columns, lines or pies. Okay, here we use which chart? Column chart. Here, so each bar is a data point. Here we use the data point is what? This each bar is a data point. Next thing is what? Axis. Normally your chart have two axes. What are they? Horizontal axis. This is horizontal axis and vertical axis. Horizontal axis and vertical axis. Horizontal means x-axis, vertical means y-axis. Here categories on where? Horizontal axis and values on where? Vertical axis. Categories on where? Horizontal axis and values on vertical axis. Next thing is what? Legend. This is what? Legend. Okay, legend provides color key. Otherwise, legend identify the patterns or colors that are assigned to the data series or categories in the chart. Okay, means what? Assigned to the data series or categories in the chart. Then next one is what? Chart and axis titles. Chart title and axis title. A chart and axis titles are descriptive text written for the axis or chart. It is a descriptive text written for what? The axis or chart. The last thing is what? Data label. Data labels provides additional information about data marker. That means that you can use to identify the details of a data point in a data series. Okay, what? Data label provides what? Additional information that you can use to identify the details of a data point in a data series. Okay, here what are the elements of a chart? What are they? First one, chart area, next plot area, then data points, then axis to y axis, what are they? Horizontal and vertical axis, then legend. Next one is what? Chart and axis titles, then data labels. Okay, in this section we discussing the two things. What are they? First one, how to insert a chart. How to insert a chart? First you select the data, then click the insert tab. From that you select the what? Chart from the chart group. Okay, next thing is what? Elements of a chart. What are they? Chart area, plot area, data points, horizontal and vertical axis, legend, chart and axis title, and data label. I hope all are understood these topics. Thank you.